Hey everyone, and welcome to this week's Plan With Me. So this week I'm actually going to be using the mini kit for Wild and Free. I am back in my A5 planner. I have a few other things I have to do this week, so I figured my normal planner might be good for that. Plus this is a mini kit. So this also comes foiled if you want this foiled. I think there's pictures on the website or on Instagram if you want to see the foiled versions of this. It might vary slightly since this is the mini kit, and I think the pictures are for like the full kit, but either way, I just kind of pulled this one out because it is a smaller planner. I also pulled out some skinny washi from Simply Gilded. I'm just going to use that for the top of the planner just so I can add it to the top of each day of the week. And of course I have my pen. So I feel like I always forget to show which pens I'm using. I actually really like this one. This one is a Sarasa in a 0.5. I believe you can get these on Amazon, so I will link those down below. You can also grab a different version of this, which comes in kind of like a Coletto pen. I'm not really sure where mine is right now since I've been rearranging the office, and it's probably in one of my mini pen pouches. So yeah, anyway, so I'm gonna get started with this. So I'm totally speeding this part up by a lot considering it took forever to add the washi here. Since this is a skinny washi, I actually added that twice to the date line to cover that up. Then I went ahead and started adding my full boxes to the sides of the planner and my sidebar tracker. Usually I track my top like work things on there just as like a week at a glance type of thing. But I figured I would change it to a workout sidebar instead this week. I actually got a new Fitbit, so hopefully once that comes in the mail, I can adjust my workouts accordingly. For the most part, the last 2 weeks, I was just trying to get back into my normal at-home workouts. So I was doing like yoga and like a bit of like toning. But if you have any YouTube or favorite like YouTube workouts or any workouts, let me know down below because I am open to trying something new considering I really haven't gone running and I don't really plan on going outside. I originally wanted to do a bunch of 5Ks this year, so those are all like canceled. But anyway, if you have any at-home workouts, let me know. I did add in a habit tracker, but I added it in between Thursday and Friday. I also added my movie night banner there, and I think one of my currently watching programs on there. I did write Outer Banks on there since that's on Netflix, and that's like one of the shows I was watching. But I did finish that, so I probably should have changed it to something else, but I filmed this and finished it like a few days later, so there's that. I did start adding my quarter and half boxes to the week, and those are for writing down the main thing I need to do or like work on that day. At least this week, normally that is need to work on like that day, and then adding a checklist under those if needed. The one for Friday, I added vertically just to kind of like switch things up a bit. And I kind of like the way that turned out since really for Friday, we only have like new releases. I want to be able to go back into filming Plan With Me's because I know I haven't done those in a while. So I think filming it on Friday, that way I have the weekend to, edit and upload. Other than that, I did add a bit of deco to this week. There is a lot of deco and scripts on the mini kits, so it's kind of like a condensed version of like the top things that people use. By the way, have you guys watched anything on Netflix? As I mentioned earlier, I did write Outer Banks in the Thursday one, that where it said like currently watching. Just ended up finishing the show because there's only like 10 episodes. If you have watched anything on Netflix or Hulu or Disney Plus, let me know what you're watching down below because I do need new things to watch. And it doesn't matter if it's like a show or a movie. That way I have like a list of things that I could be watching. I am catching up on my normal shows though, so it might take me a while to get to certain things. Also, if you guys want to do like a Netflix party, I'm not sure how many people can join that, but I can probably do a poll in the Facebook group, and then we can probably watch like either like an old show that like, because Netflix would have like all the seasons on there, or we can watch a movie or something, and then we can just like chat, and I can just like send the link in the Facebook group probably. So if you want to do that, let me know. So there's that. After that, I am just writing my planner, and if you want to go over everything, you can probably just read it from there. I did zoom in this time, so you guys could kind of read it. Alright everyone, that is it for this week. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell for new videos. I will link this kit down below and everything. But that is it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye everyone!